start with unit 7, that is brain teasers. So let's start with chapter number 48, reasoning test. So here choose the correct figure that follow the sequence. आपको correct figure बतानी है जो sequence follow करता है. देखो आप इसमें देख रहे हैं ये इस साइड है, then ये इस साइड, फिर ये इस साइड हो गया, तो other one will go with side. This side, ये ना rotate होके ये C चला जाए. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5, फिर 4 हो गया, ठीक है, 3 5 4 and then how much 6. Now you can see here triangle, then it's open like this and then we have B. You can see here, देखो यहाँ पे सारे में है, यहाँ पे एक छोड़ रखा है, फिर यहाँ पे 2 छोड़ दिए, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, only one will be there. This one with one round, this one and then this one. Now 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 and this one B. Now let's move to the next chapter, chapter number 49, maths magic. Right? So the combination of length of two road is 100 kilometer. If the road A is 20 kilometer, then find the individual length 120. जो रोड है A है वो 20 है, तो कितना होगा आपका, होगा ये 40 और लेंथ इंडिविजुअल बात करें क्या 60, तो 40 और 60 क्या हो गया 100. राइट. नाउ 3 बॉयज कैन डिग 10 होल्स इन 20 डेज. देखो 3 बॉयज हैं 10 होल्स को 20 डेज में डिग करते हैं. वहीं 10 बॉयज डिग 5 होल्स इन हाउ मेनी डेज. जो 10 बॉय हैं वो कितने में करेंगे 5 डेज. द मदर एज इज ट्वाइस द एज ऑफ डॉटर. मतलब अगर डॉटर की एज x है तो मदर की क्या है ट्वाइस है डॉटर के, तो 2x हो जाएगी मदर की एज. मदर की एज क्या हो जाएगी 2x. राइट. मदर की हो गई 2x. 10 years ago she was thrice the age of her daughter. अगर 10 साल की बात करें तो वो क्या हो गई thrice the age हो गई, तो आपको प्रेजेंट एज मतलब thrice हो गई. x plus 10 लिखोगे यहाँ पे x plus 2x और thrice है तो इसका thrice कर दो. राइट, लाइक दिस एंड देन यू कैन सॉल्व इट. आपका x की वैल्यू निकालनी है और फिर आपका निकल. राइट. तो मदर की एज कितनी आएगी 40. years और डॉटर की आएगी 20 ईयर. What is the place value of 7? 7 की place value क्या होगी 70,000. So an ant is trying to reach the top of the hole that is 15 meter high. 15 मीटर हाई है and it climbs up to 3 mts in a minute and slips down 1 meter in a second. How long will it take? कितने long लेगी? That is 13 meter. Now let's move to the next chapter. Chapter number 50, brain teaser. So answer the following question. It weighs nothing, still you cannot hold it even for 2 minutes. What it is? आप इसको 2 मिनट के लिए भी होल्ड नहीं कर सकते, तो योर ब्रेथ, सांस को हम 2 मिनट के लिए भी नहीं रोक सकते. I am the third yet. I am called the second. I am the youngest still, and I am considered the smallest. So what? The second hand of the clock. Jia had a son named Nasir, or Tariq is brother. Shama is Tariq's sister. Shama has son named Mohammed. What is Nasir relation with Mohammed? आपको नासिर का रिलेशन बताना है. वो क्या होगा? बेटा होगा, सन होगा. A man jumped into the sea to commit suicide. Neither did he know how to swim, nor there was anyone around to save him. Still, he do not die. Why? Because water is low. क्योंकि वाटर कैसा था? लो था. What it is it that goes up, comes down, and not move at all? Temperature. What if you cannot hold for 50 minutes, even though it's hardly weight anything? Your breath. Right? Now let's move to the next chapter. Chapter number 51. Maths test. The smallest number of 5 digits. 5 digit का smallest number क्या होगा? The successor of 2872. 2872 का successor क्या होगा? Two eight seven three. Write the greatest 5-digit number using the digits. So 9 6 5 3 2. Arrange them in descending order: 1.2, 2.1, 0.12, or 0.21. Two point one, 1.2, 0.21, and 0.12. Largest number of 4 digits, that is arrange them in ascending order. आपको इनको ascending order में arrange करना है, right? So पहले आपका आएगा .8 ascending order, 0.339, 0.049, 0.5, 0.8, राइट. नाउ प्रीसीडर, इसका प्रीसीडर क्या होगा आपका 8009 का, दैट इज 7,999. The greatest number of 5 digit. Now write the mathematical answer. What makes 4? 2 and 2 makes 4. 2 to the 4 or 2 plus 2 4. How many days are wonder? 7. आपने how many days are wonder? 9. Why do you come here tonight? Just. How do birds fly toward the south? Why do birds fly? When do we eat? Remain. Right? Now, let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 52, classification. So, classification means to assort items on the basis of group. First is test the given certain items. In this we have C. Why? Because देखो कर्ड भी मिल्क से बटर चीज सारे डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. रोज, लोटस, मैरीगोल्ड, लिली एंड ट्यूलिप. तो लोटस. पिस्टल, स्वैड, गन, राइफल, कैनन. स्वैड. कैथेड्रल, मॉस्क, चर्च, मोनेस्ट्री और टेम्पल. बुक, पेपर, पेंसिल, पेन और शार्पनर. ज्योमेट्री, अलजेब्रा, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री, मैथमेटिक्स. In this Italy, copper, tin, brass, tin. इसमें आपका टोमेटो ये फ्रूट में आता है, ऑल आर वेजिटेबल्स. एंड दिस इज डकलिंग, राइट. नाउ let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 53, time work. How many Mondays are there in a particular month or particular year if the month ends with Wednesday? So कितने होते हैं? That is 5. The difference between the picture of Z counted from left in the work imprecise and the alphabet is. आपको alphabet बताना. That is 18. Now, our brother is 562 days older than me, while the sister is 72 weeks older. If my sister is born on Tuesday, मैं कब born होऊंगा? Thursday. If the day 2 days after tomorrow is Thursday, what would be the 2 days before? Friday होगा. If third month falls on Friday, what would be the fourth day after 21 first day? That is your Saturday. Right? Now this unit has been completed. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.